Dr. Buteyko, the legendary Russian physiologist, concluded that asthmatic symptoms are only a reaction to overbreathing, especially heavy breathing through the mouth. He determined that breathing difficulties could be reduced or even stopped when people switched to nasal breathing and learned how to breathe gently and peacefully. The Breathing Center represents Dr. Buteyko's work in the USA. Our practitioners educate people about the Buteyko Method and help them to understand the natural ways to improve their breathing. As a result, their respiration becomes healthier. Many people become free of their breathing difficulties and medication. Their doctors confirm that they don't need their medication anymore.
To learn the Buteyko breathing method to tame your asthma, participate in Breathe to Heal online workshop. Check the link on the description or visit buteykobrreathingcenter.com or read Breathe to Heal book, Break Free from Asthma.